Hello everybody, in today's video I'm talking about RNDR coin, guys. What's going on in the RNDR coin? In today's video I'm going to share the latest update, and I will also give you a free signal in this video. And if you want to get more signal, if you want to trade with me, so join my free Telegram group. Link is available in video description, guys. Join now, guys. 7.84% gains in last 24 hour. Massive pump occur in the RNDR coin, guys. 4.84 is the highest price tested by RNDR in last 24 hour, and currently it's make a reversal, guys. So currently obviously it's a good opportunity for opening a sell position in a RNDR coin. Now I recommend, if you want to sell RNDR coin, so currently it's a golden opportunity for opening a sell position, guys, and our target for selling is 3.93, 3.90 cent is our target level for RNDR coin, guys. What's your opinion about RNDR coin? Please tell me in the comment box. I recommend to open a sell position because there is high selling pressure on this zone, guys. Thanks for watching. For more updates, stay connected on Telegram.